Hi, my name is Jimmy and welcome to Wassaja Hall. This is the main lobby of Wassaja Hall. Here you can find your mailboxes, a lounge area, a multi-purpose room, and a kitchen for residents to use. Wassaja doesn't have a front desk in the building, but it does have access to the Nugent Hall front desk. The Nugent front desk is here to help you. They can answer any questions you may have about campus or residence halls in general. They offer temporary keys, temporary iCards, and they even have items they can loan out to you, like board games, tools, kitchen supplies, and moving carts. In the main lobby, you can find your mailboxes, primarily used for letter-sized envelopes and small packages. Larger boxes and packages would be delivered to the Student Dining and Residential Programs Building, better known as the SDRP. The SDRP is a short walk away and is also where the Ikenberry Dining Center and retail locations, 57 North and the Caffeinator, are located. The Wassaja Laundry Room is located on the first floor of the building. Laundry costs are included in your housing contract, so no need to carry around a roll of quarters just to do your laundry. You can stay in the laundry room to know when your laundry is finished, or you can download the Illinois app to check the usage and availability of laundry machines. It is super convenient. There are two different room types available within Wassaja Hall. There are single and double rooms available. Wassaja, like other residence halls, consists of mostly double rooms. Let me show you a double room. Welcome to a double room. Within each room, each resident gets a desk, chair, twin XL bed, bookshelf, 3-drawer chest, pedestal cabinet, and a hanging bed shelf. Each resident also gets their own lockable closet. These beds are currently set at our default mid-loft height. In this configuration, from the top of the mattress to the floor is 38 inches, and from the bottom of the bed frame to the floor is 28 of clearance. There is also the option to have your bed high lofted, and in that configuration, from the top of the mattress to the floor would be 65 inches, and from the bottom of the bed frame to the floor would be 55 of clearance. Making the space your own can feel a little overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to help. We have a giant list of items we recommend you bring and items to leave behind. You can find the link to our ultimate packing checklist as well as furniture dimensions in the description below. Wassaja Hall utilizes individual use restrooms. Within each restroom, there's a toilet, a sink, and a shower. The restrooms are cleaned daily by our building service staff. We are now in one of the lounge spaces of Wassaja Hall. You can use the space to study, hang out with friends, or use the technology available within the space. I have 4 things that you should know about living at Wassaja Hall. Number 1, the best way to get around campus is walking, biking, or taking the bus. The main quad is about a 12-minute walk from here. The nearest bus stop would be the First and Gregory stop. 2, you are near the Activities and Recreation Center, better known as the ARC. You are also near the Ike Quad, the Outdoor Center playfields, and Memorial Stadium. 3. The nearest dining hall would be the Ikenberry Dining Center, located within the SDRP, along with 57 North and the Caffeinator, in case you want to eat something quick on your way to class. 4. Also located within the SDRP is the package station and additional resources, such as the computer lab, music practice rooms, large multi-purpose rooms, classrooms, and the place where a lot of fun events are held. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Wassaja Hall. We can't wait to see you on campus soon. Click here to watch another Residence Hall tour video. It's waiting for you, so maybe you want to click it.